Hi there, today you are going to install a template for creating pages in the IDE. On the GitHub repo, go to the Libraries folder. Download the BVAD3 classes library files. Save these to your B4J external libraries folders. To use the templates, start the B4J IDE and create a new BVAD3 EDS project. Go to File, then New, then select the EDS project. Type in the project name. In the Libraries folder, locate the BVAD3 classes library, and check it. This will load all available templates in it. We will create a page, go to Projects, add new module and then select the BVAD3 page template. You type in the new class name you want for your page. You can use this methodology each time you want to create a new page on your project. This comes with some pre-specified subroutines. You can then create a layout and also initialize the page in the PG index.